welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload from me. We are on my house hunting journey here in Atlanta, Georgia. I've been living here for a year and a half, so coming up on 2 years now, and I am exploring the market for a new home. The last episode, we went condo shopping. We were in Midtown looking at the options for condos. In today's video, we are going to be seeing a townhouse. Now listen, here in this area, townhouses are flying off the market. They're being built up. It's a lot in construction right now, but they're not available yet, so it's not that many on the market. I found one that I really like that I want to go see, get a feel for it. I'm used to living in apartment buildings, high-rise buildings, so a townhome is different for me. In my last video, I talked about comparing condos to townhomes, and this is what we're doing today. So I'm super excited to get the feel of this townhome. I do feel like townhomes have more square footage, and you get a little bit more bang for your buck. I also have been just writing down a few things that I want in my home. Like for me, things that I value is, you know, a modern kitchen, white countertops, hardwood floors. I definitely am looking at 3 bedrooms versus 2 bedrooms. In the condo room of things, it's not really a lot of 3 bedrooms out there. I'm seeing a lot of 2-bedroom condos. So when I go over to the townhome area, you're getting more 3 to 4 bedrooms. And like I said, more square footage, more bang for your buck. So I'm super excited to go see this townhouse today. I did get sent a few more townhomes that are on the market, not a lot. So I'm excited about seeing this one. Let's go ahead and head out of here. I'm going to give you guys a little outfit of the day before we leave, but let's go. Alrighty guys, we're heading out, and this is my outfit of the day for our house hunting today. I did a little white and cream mixture going on here with the pants and the top. I think the bag adds, the bag, you know, just ties everything together with my cream and white. So this is my outfit of the day. And you guys, it is 77 degrees here in Atlanta right now, which is crazy. So your girl is already hot. Like, aren't we in winter time? I could have sworn we were in the winter time, but this is today's look. Because we're getting a little bit of sun today, I thought I would pop on some sunnies, and I've been wanting to wear these. We finally got some sun, it's not raining, so here we are. This is today's look. Alright guys, let's head out of here.
Main one?
Yeah.
And
okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, just got here to this townhouse that I am super excited to see. Okay, so it's a bedroom downstairs, but where should we go first? Let's walk up. This is what this townhouse looks like. Beautiful kitchen, love the island. Also has like a wine mini bar. This bathroom. Okay, with the door open, it's pretty loud to the street. Dining room area. A balcony. This is the pantry. The natural lighting is really good. Let's take a look upstairs. Let's go. Something has a low battery. Okay. Stop blurring up on me. Okay. to our left, a bedroom. Bathroom. Okay, that's nothing. So this room, I was about to say doesn't have a closet. This is the closet. They need to change the battery. Laundry room. A lot of space for your washer and dryer. This is the master. Walking through. Closet space. Another closet space like that. This is the bedroom. Come back right here for the bathroom. Okay, love the floors in here. Love the big mirror. Oh my goodness, okay. This is what I'm talking about right here with this bathroom. It is a huge shower with the garden tub in the shower. I love this. Absolutely love this shower and tub. Yes, okay. And then the bathroom is right over here. You guys. This is nice. Okay, and then the shower has 2 shower heads on the inside. Like that. And I really like that it's so much closet space. Walk-in closet space. This is amazing. I love the closet space. The walk-in closet space is amazing. Okay, so that's upstairs. Master bedroom, laundry, and this bedroom. I'm gonna take steps back down. Okay. The master bedroom does have a balcony on it as well. So you can come out and sit. This is by a street, so you do hear that street noise. And then let's go downstairs really quickly so we can see this 3rd bedroom. This is what the kitchen looks like. Again, coming down from the steps. Let's go pan this way. Bedroom. We go down these steps. Okay. Another huge closet. Another huge closet. This is the bedroom with another huge closet. And here is this bathroom with the shower. Love it. Love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, that's nothing. And then this is the garage. A garage to put the car. So, ooh, let me know guys what you guys are feeling about this townhome. I'll tell you guys my thoughts when I get back to the house. Alright guys, so I made it back home. What did you guys think about this townhome that I just showed you guys? When I got home, I just got a sticky note and pen and kind of just wrote out some of my thoughts right here. But my initial thoughts are that I really enjoyed viewing this townhome. I like the community. I like the outside of the townhome with the white. So all of them are white. I really like that. I like that it's a new construction. I like that it's modern. Now that townhome is priced right under $800,000. $8,000. And I'm guessing because of the location, this location is 2 minutes from Lenox Mall, so right in the heart of the Buckhead area. And it was located on a street that was pretty busy and pretty noisy. Now, compared to the condos that we're reviewing in my last video, this townhouse has a lot more square footage. It's over 2,400 square feet, so that is definitely a plus. It has the closet space for someone to grow into their home versus the condos are already starting off like you're already not really having that much space. So, looking at some of the things that I wrote down, are amenities that important to me? Is it that important that I'm living in a community that has the doorman, that has the pool, that has the lobby, the rooftop? Now, I'm really questioning, do I need these things? And I do definitely enjoy them. That is something that townhomes do not have. How much can the price go down for a townhouse like this if it was further out? If we're placed 25-30 minutes out of the central location, how much lower could the price go down with buying a townhome? The next question, how far am I willing to go out? I don't really know the answer to that. So like I said, I've been in Atlanta for a little under 2 years, and I do not know that many areas on the outskirts, so I would definitely have to explore that and create a list of areas that are further out but not too far. I want to say like 30 minutes. Anything past 30 minutes is given too far for me personally. The 40-minute mark is given, once you get to the 40 minutes, that's like giving an hour, like, so it's an hour to get back and forth places. So anything under 30, actually 30 is like a lot too. Can we do like 20, 25? So 20 to 25 minutes outside of the central location here in Atlanta would be ideal for me. Finding more gated communities, that is on my list. Like, where are the gated communities? In price point wise, how much more is a gated community versus a non-gated community? And then I kind of just wrote down, if I'm buying a home, I would love to have a backyard that I could put a pool there. Like, if I'm not able to get a condo and then it takes away all the amenities and it's just a house, I feel like whatever this house is, I would want a backyard. So I wrote that down. Like I said, I was writing down things that I definitely did want in my home. So I'm building that list out. And as I go see places, I'm able to create my own list of things that I want and I need. So let me run down the list of just what I have so far. If you guys have any other thoughts on things that I should write down for what I want in my home, drop them in the comment section. So on my home list, I have 3 to 4 bedroom home, modern, new build if possible, white kitchen, island, hardwood floors, closet space. I need closet space. I have so many clothes, girl. You girl need some closet space, and I'm going to need to grow into my home. The master bathroom, that is actually important to me. I want to walk in my master bathroom and get ready every day and it be pretty, you know? So going to this home made me put that on my list. Like, the bathroom today, the bathroom today is how I feel like I need a bathroom like that. So you guys know the bathrooms in the condos were not giving what it was giving today, okay? And then now I wrote down this backyard that I want, because I feel like if I'm not going to go the condo route, then you need a backyard, right? I'm feeling like I need a backyard. The next thing that I just thought about that gives me anxiety, yes, this process gives me a little bit of anxiety because I believe I have commitment issues with where I'm living at. Like, this is the first place that this is Harlem. Tell him hey. Okay, but this is the first place that I have ever renewed my lease and been here for 2 years. I have lived in New York, lived in every single borough, and moved every single year. So this is the first time in my life that I have decided to stay in one place, not move around, you know. which is so crazy, right? But like my personality is like I like to explore, I'm adventurous, I like to try new things. And just with the house hunting process and like finding a home, like the idea that like I'm committing to something for forever, I want to make sure I find the right place. I want to make sure I like it, it has the things that I like. So it makes me kind of nervous, I'm not gonna lie. It makes me kind of nervous to commit to a place, but I know that I have to find this place. Like, I fell in love with this unit. I never visited Atlanta before moving to Atlanta and moving here. Like, I had decided that I wanted to move out of New York, and then I decided, okay, so what's another city on the East Coast, because I'm an East Coast girl. I didn't want to change time zones or anything, and Atlanta was my next best option from New York. So I said, okay, I'm moving to Atlanta, let's try something new, let's up and move. I fell in love with this unit, came here, and now I am about to come up on my 2 years in Atlanta. But I don't know, I can't see the future of like, oh, I'm gonna be in Atlanta for the rest of my life. It is places that I haven't tried. Like, I haven't been to Houston, I haven't, yeah, I have commitment issues, guys, and this is gonna be a process of finding this home and finding something that I really like. This is not like just a decision that I'm taking lightly, and I'm making my list, and I am exploring the areas here. And yeah, I hope that you guys are excited for this journey, and I hope that you guys like this journey and like this series on my channel. And I'm happy to go on this journey with you guys and take you guys along with me, but I just have to be honest about, you know, what I'm feeling right now in the moment. A little nervous. A little nervous. Can I find the home for me? Can I find the home for me? But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really enjoyed the townhome that I went to see today. It just gave me hope that it's something out there for me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.